conference was very efficient, and the person who was connected with me was very attentive and kept me fully informed, and in particular the platform I thought worked very well, and the networking, the ability to contact and meet people directly on the platform, which is often quite difficult with virtual conferences. I think that was handled exceptionally well. So I spoke at one of the sessions on sustainability of pharma, and it was one of the best sessions I've done this whole year. The speakers were fantastic. The moderation of the session was really, really excellent, and there was no let up of the conversations, so the questions coming forward. So I hope the audience enjoyed it, but I really found it fantastic being part of that session. I think the opportunity to network and there the personal manager was really helpful about arranging those calls and doing those. I found that a really attractive and very effective part of the conference. I think having a personal manager is really helpful if there are any questions or if you have any issues with the platform.